guys, welcome back in my world, and today I'm gonna show you how to build this cool butterfly knife that I created. It's pretty sick, so I'm gonna show you how to build this. Start the video. So there are three pieces that would make. First, the handles, two of these, and next the blade. Okay, let's first go. You need to have this piece has holes in it as 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. It has 13 holes, I think. Yeah, 13 holes. And next, you need to get a 2x6 piece and put it over here like this, like this. See this? Put it over here like this. Next, get two of these 2x2 bricks, one 2x2 brick and 2x2 brick that has a hole in it. So you put this 2x2 brick with a hole in here in the last, like this, and put the 2x2 brick over here. And next up, get this piece, this 2, 4, 6, 8 2x8 piece, and put it here. Next, get your piece like this 2x6 tile, put it here. There we go. Get some of these pieces, 2x2 tile and a 2x4 tile. Just put it here. Just keep putting it here till you make this line. After creating this, you might want to build another one. So yeah, after that, get your piece like this, stall piece like this, and get your wheel piece and put them together like this. Put this in here like this, there you go. After fitting it like this, get your two of these, put this in here like that, and get your other piece like this. Next up, the other handle. So the second handle is pretty easy. Just make another one of these, same as this, but make two of them again, but it's different. Get your piece like this again, and this 3-hole piece, and put them like this. Next, put them here in the hole. Same the other side with the hole. Got your two handles. So last part is the blade. So here are the pieces of the blade. So making this easier. So first, need this tile, 2x6 tile, and you need this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 2x8 plate. Put it here. Next, put a 2x2 and a 1x1 and 2x2 again, and this 2x6 with this 2x3 and this 1x1 hold piece. Put 1x1, 2x2 plates here. We can put a 4x4 plate and another 2x2 here, and put your go. And here it's pretty easy. Got your wavy piece like this. Got your piece like this. Look at this. There's a hole in the back. And the cheese stud. Plated like this. So got another one of this. The 2x2 here. this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 again. 2 by 2s here. And 3 of these. Stop. 2 by 2s. This 2 by 4. 2 by 4 again. And these 2 by 4 bricks. And or you can put a 2 by 4 brick here, or just add this 1 by 1 and a 3 by 3. Put the stud here. Put a 2 by 2, 2 by 6, and a 2 by 2, and or you can still put a 2 by 6 on the top, and a 2 by 2, and put this 1 by 1 here. So here it is. You can clearly see how to make it. You can see it. So that's how we do it. And finally, you need 2 of these again. Oh, 2 of these. You need 2 of these. And next, you can attach these both here like this. These pieces be contact together, not like this. Must be like this. So this. Put these anywhere you want, in here or here. Must be like this. That. And next, guys, we're gonna do the assembly. Get your 2 handles and let's build. So first one, contact it like this. Wait, actually like this, where the studs are. This, put it here. Just put it like this. Same in the other side. Will be like this. Same on the other side. Handle. Same, do it. Same. There we go. Wait. There we go. So here it is, guys. Your own butterfly knife. So you might want to put tape in here. Easy to take off if you fly it. So yes, guys. Here it is. Your butterfly knife. It really works. Close this here. So thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button in the description below. And yes, thank you and goodbye.